Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to install Facebook Pixel on WordPress. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to create a Facebook Pixel. Log into your Facebook ads, manage your account, and navigate to the Pixel section. If you haven't created a Facebook pixel yet, click on Create a Pixel and follow the prompts to generate a new pixel for your website. Copy the pixel code. Once your Facebook pixel is created, click on Set Up to access the pixel code. Copy the entire pixel code snippet provided by Facebook. So I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. So I typically start with a script, and so the script is with the less than icon script, then greater than, okay? And ends with less than / script, then greater than, okay? Now, install a Facebook WordPress plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for a Facebook Pixel plugin such as Pixel Your Site or Pixel Caffeine. Install and activate the plugin of your choice. Configure the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, navigate to its settings page. Look for the option to enter your Facebook Pixel ID or code. Paste the pic I'm sorry, paste the Facebook pixel code you copied in the previous step into the appropriate field. Save and verify. Save the settings in the plugin and verify that the Facebook pixel is correctly installed. Some plugins may provide a verification option to ensure that the pixel is firing correctly on your website. Test the pixel on your website in a new tab and perform a test action such as visiting a specific page or completing a conversion event. Then go back to your Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the pixel section. Look for the activity associated with your test action to confirm that the pixel is working correctly. So this action is optional. So customize pixel events. Depending on your advertising goals, you may want to customize the events that the Facebook pixel tracks. For example, you can set up custom events for purchases, add to cart actions, or form submissions. Check your Facebook Pixel plugins documentation for instructions on configuring custom events. Use the Pixel for Facebook ads. With the Facebook Pixel installed, you can now use it to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns. You can create custom audiences, track conversions, and run retargeting campaigns based on the data collected by the Pixel. So, now, remember to comply with Facebook advertising policies and privacy regulations when using the Facebook Pixel. Additionally, keep your WordPress plugins and themes updated to ensure compatibility and security. So before we end the video, let me just go ahead and share some more steps to further enhance the installation of Facebook Pixel on WordPress. So first, we have install a header or footer insert plugin. If your chosen Facebook Pixel plugin doesn't have built-in options to add the pixel code to specific sections of your website, you can use a header or footer insert plugin. Install and activate a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers or Header and Footer Scripts. These plugins allow you to add code snippets to the header or footer of your WordPress site. Insert the pixel code manually. If you prefer not to use a dedicated Facebook Pixel plugin, you can manually insert the Facebook Pixel code into your WordPress theme. Access the theme editor by going to Appearance and then choose Theme Editor in your WordPress dashboard. Look for the header.php or footer.php file depending on where you want to place the pixel code, and add the Facebook pixel code just before the closing less than / head greater than symbol tag for header.php. Now for the footer.php, find the less than / body greater than symbol tag. Okay, now save the changes. Use a tag manager. If you are already using a tag management solution like Google Tag Manager, you can leverage it to install the Facebook Pixel. Set up the Facebook Pixel within your Tag Manager account and then install the Tag Manager code on your WordPress site. This allows you to manage multiple tracking codes and make updates without modifying your theme files directly. So, test pixel events with Facebook Pixel Helper. Facebook Pixel Helper is a Chrome browser extension that helps you verify if the Facebook Pixel is firing correctly on your website. Install the extension, navigate to the WordPress site, and click on the Pixel Helper icon. It will display information about the Pixel implementation and any errors or warnings. Use this tool to ensure the Pixel is functioning as expected. Now, this is also an optional action. Enable advanced matching. Advanced matching is a Facebook Pixel feature that enhances the accuracy of tracking by sending additional customer data, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other users' identifiers. To enable advanced matching, you need to modify the pixel code. Consult Facebook documentation on how to implement this feature and make the necessary changes to the pixel code on your WordPress site. Utilize pixel events for custom audiences. Facebook pixel events allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as purchases, registrations, or form submissions. Leverage these events to create custom audiences for your Facebook ad campaigns. For example, you can retarget users who have added items to their carts but didn't complete the purchase. Consult the documentation of your Facebook Pixel plugin or Facebook developer resources for guidance on setting up and triggering pixel events. Remember to periodically check your Facebook Pixel and ensure it remains properly implemented as you make changes to your website or update your WordPress theme or plugins. Regularly monitor your Facebook Ads Manager for pixel activity and track the performance of your ad campaigns based on the data collected by the pixel. It is also recommended to review Facebook Pixel usage policies and comply with any applicable data protection regulations in your region to ensure proper handling of user data. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.